गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड्स. आज आपण आपली होऊ घातलेली एक्झाम MCQ या संदर्भात माहिती पाहणार आहोत. MCQ एक्झामच्या बाबतीत आपण समजून घ्यायला पाहिजे की तिचं नेचर कसं असतं, तिचं प्रश्नपत्रिकेचं स्वरूप काय असतं, त्याचबरोबर परीक्षेला हजर राहत असताना कोणत्या प्रकारची प्रिकॉशन घ्यायची असते याबद्दलची माहिती मी मागील व्हिडिओमध्ये दिलेली आहे. परंतु आज आपण पाहणार आहोत की कुठल्या स्वरूपाचे प्रश्न असू शकतात, म्हणजे कोणत्या स्वरूपाचे प्रश्न असतात, प्रश्नाचं स्वरूप काय असतं हे आपल्याला माहिती असणं गरजेचं असतं. कारण बऱ्याच वेळेला आपण अभ्यास करत असताना ब्रॉड क्वेश्चन्सच्या तयारीने अभ्यास केलेला असतो. पूर्वपरंपरागत चालत आलेली प्रश्नपत्रिकेची पद्धती, त्यामध्ये शॉर्ट नोट्स असतात, त्यानंतर शॉर्ट आन्सर क्वेश्चन्स असतात, ब्रॉड आन्सर क्वेश्चन्स असतात आणि अशा पद्धतीची तयारी आपण केलेली असते. परंतु ह्या पॅन्डेमिकच्या काळामध्ये सर्व स्वरूप बदललेलं आहे. परीक्षेचं स्वरूप बदललेलं आहे, अभ्यासक्रमाचं स्वरूप बदललेलं आहे, त्याचबरोबर सर्व ज्या काही गोष्टी असतात त्या सर्व बदलत गेलेल्या आहेत. आणि त्यामुळं आपण आज थोडंसं विचारात घेणार आहोत की प्रश्नांचं स्वरूप काय असू शकतं, कोणत्या स्वरूपाचे प्रश्न त्या ठिकाणी परीक्षेमध्ये असू शकतात. म्हणजे नेचर ऑफ क्वेश्चन्स हा भाग आपण पाहणार आहोत. म्हणजे प्रश्नाचं स्वरूप आपण विचारात घेतो आहोत, कोणते प्रश्न येतील हा तुम्ही अभ्यासानं पाहायचे, तुम्ही अभ्यास करायचा आहे, त्या अभ्यासातून तुमच्या लक्षात यायला पाहिजे. आणि इथं फक्त आपल्याला एक प्रश्नपत्रिकेचं स्वरूप, प्रश्नांचं स्वरूप, प्रश्न कसे असतात, कशा प्रकारचे असू शकतात हा भाग आपण या ठिकाणी पाहतो आहोत. त्यामध्ये विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज द कंपोनंट ऑफ होलिस्टिक मार्केटिंग, म्हणजे होलिस्टिक मार्केटिंगचे कोणता कंपोनंट आहे याच्यामध्ये. तुम्हाला 4 ऑप्शन्स दिलेले आहेत. पहिला ऑप्शन आहे इंटरनल मार्केटिंग, बी मार्केट सर्वे, सी मार्केट सेगमेंटेशन, डी मार्केट प्लॅनिंग. मग याचं उत्तर कुठलं असू शकतं, तर याचं उत्तर असू शकेल की इंटरनल मार्केटिंग. इंटरनल मार्केटिंग इज दी कंपोनंट ऑफ होलिस्टिक मार्केटिंग. त्यानंतर डॅश डॅश इज दी कोर कन्सेप्ट ऑफ मार्केटिंग. What is the core concept of marketing? Scope of marketing, features of marketing, nature of marketing, and meaning of marketing. These are the alternatives. Out of these alternative, which is the correct? The correct alternative will be the features of marketing is the core concept of marketing. Okay. Now, then next question is given here for the understanding purpose. That is dash dash is the component of core concept of marketing. What is the component of core concept of marketing? Social marketing. Second alternative, consumers need. Third, economic needs. And fourth, educational needs. Your right alternative is there, economic needs. Economic needs is the component. Try to understand. Economic needs is the component of core concept of marketing. Which factor is important in modern marketing? There are different types of the factors given, but out of those, which factor is important in the modern marketing? 4 alternatives are given. First, market. Second, customer. Third, supplier. And the last, company. Which will be the correct answer? Customer is the factor. Customer factor is important in modern marketing. What is important? Customer. Then, which factor is important in modern marketing? That factor we have to study. Then, product, price, place, distribution, all these factors are called dash dash. Product, price, place, and distribution, all these factors are called dash dash. What is called factor of marketing mix? That will be the correct answer. Factor of marketing mix means product, price, place, and distribution. These are the factors of marketing mix. This will be the correct answer. Then marketing mix factor is dash dash process of segmentation. What is the process of segmentation? Marketing mix is factor is dash dash process of segmentation. What is it? Marketing process of segmentation. Okay. Then dash dash factors involved in marketing planning. Which factors are involved in marketing planning? First, marketing research. Second, marketing assessment. Third, study of opportunities and threats. And last, advertising. Which factors involved in marketing planning? That answer also you have to understand. In planning, study of opportunities and threats involved. What is it? Study of opportunities and threats is involved in marketing planning. That's why that is the correct answer. Then a study on consumer behavior is considered in dash dash. Study on consumer behavior is considered in dash dash. In what? In four alternatives are given: nature of marketing, methods of marketing, scope of marketing, and features of marketing. Such type of question will be there. Then next question we have to study: buyer's behavior relates with dash dash. Buyer's behavior relates with dash dash. Four alternatives are given. First, psychological process. Second, marketing behavior or market behavior. Third, supplier's behavior. And the D, salesman's behavior. These four alternatives are given. Out of these alternatives, which is the correct alternative? Psychological process. It means that buyer behavior relates with psychological process. Then another question is also will be there. Which factor is not affecting consumer behavior? Which factor is not affecting consumer behavior? Historical factor, strategical factor, cultural factor, and psychological factor. Correct answer will be strategical factor, that is not affecting consumer behavior. Then motivation perception is the dash dash. Four alternatives are given here: non-economic, economic, psychological, and geographical. Correct answer will be non-economical. It means that motivation perception is the non-economic. Okay. Then our next question will be there: which factor is not involved in economic factor? Fashion. Fashion is not involved. Try to understand. Fashion is not involved in economic factor. Then dash dash is important in marketing research. What is important? Customer market, direct market, indirect market, product advertising or product advertisement. Which is important in marketing research? Customer market is important in marketing research, and this will be the correct answer. Which is the first step involved in the marketing research? Now come to the topic of marketing research. In that topic also you will find there are different types of the steps, and those steps also we have to study. Which is the first step involved in marketing research? Four alternatives are given: developing research design, preliminary investigation, data collection, and situation analysis. Correct alternative will be developing research design. Okay. Then which is the last stage of buying decision? Which is the last stage of buying decision? There are four stages given. First, need recognition. Second, information search. Third, purchase decision. And the last, post purchase decision. Correct alternative will be post purchase decision. Then next question you have to study: which factor is coming from selection employees in marketing? Which factor is coming from selection of employees in marketing? Four alternatives are given: market, product, marketing and marketer, and internal marketing. Correct alternative will be market. Then which are the sources of data collection? Four alternatives are also given here: marketing information system, market segmentation, buyer's behavior, and the last will be primary and secondary data collection. What is the correct alternative there? Marketing information system is the source for data collection. Try to understand, and that will be the correct answer. That will be the correct alternative. Then Dash dash is secondary source of the data. What is the secondary source of the data? You have to study. Dash dash is the secondary source of the data. MIS, government publications, discussions, observations. Now, what is the secondary source of the data? You have to understand. Government publications, that is the secondary source of the data. Try to understand. Then, which sector is involved in market research? Which sector is involved in market research? Four alternatives are also given there. Product research, MIS, buyer's behavior, and market segmentation. Which sector is involved in the market research? That sector also we have to understand. What is it? Product research, that is involved in market research. Okay. Then market research, product research, price research are involved in what? Scope of marketing, nature of marketing, areas of marketing research, and dimension of marketing. Correct alternative. What will be the correct alternative? Areas of marketing research. That will be the correct alternative. Then marketing mix concept is explained by dash dash. Marketing mix concept is explained by dash dash. Four alternatives are given here. NH Bordenauer, second NH Borden, third Philip Kotler, and last F. Anderson. The correct alternative will be NH Borden. Then next question you have to study in that topic, that is dash dash means a future, dash dash means a future course of action. What is the future course of action? Four alternatives are given there. Marketing planning, marketing decision, marketing organization, and marketing inspection. The correct alternative will be there, marketing planning. Then another question is given for sample purpose, for your study purpose, that is dash dash is the important process of buying decision. What is the important process of buying decision? Four alternatives are also given. A. Evaluation of information. B. Decision making. C. Controlling. And the last, direction. What will be the correct alternative? Evaluation of information is the important process of the buying decision. It means that alternative A will be the correct alternative. Try to understand. Then product distribution from wholesaler to customer is possible due to four alternatives are given. A. After sales services. B. Distribution channel. C. Customer needs. And the last, price of product. What is the correct alternative? You have to study. Product distribution from wholesaler to consumer is possible due to distribution channel. That's why alternative B will be the correct. Then next question is given here for a sample purpose, for your study purpose. Which factor is involved in internal environment of marketing? Which factor is involved in internal environment of marketing? First alternative is given. A. Value system. B. Sales. C. Distribution. D. Customers needs. Now what will be the correct alternative? Value system will be the correct alternative. Then dash dash marketing divides groups of homogeneous customers. Dash dash marketing divides groups of homogeneous customers. Four alternatives are also given here. Target marketing, external marketing, internal marketing, and national marketing. What will be the correct alternative? Try to understand. Target marketing, that will be the correct alternative. Okay. Then which strategy is used for market positioning? Which strategy is used for market positioning? Four alternatives are also given here. Customer strategy, market strategy, ABC strategy, and low price strategy. Now correct alternative will be customer strategy. Then who is the founder of modern marketing concept? Four alternatives are also here. Peter Drucker, Philip Kotler, F.W. Taylor, and F. Anderson. Correct answer will be Peter Drucker. Then consumer satisfaction is involved in dash dash. Four alternatives are here: importance of marketing, scope of marketing, nature of marketing, features of marketing. Correct alternative will be scope of marketing. Okay. Now, agricultural development is important too. Again, four alternatives are given. First alternative is there: economy, customer, society, and country. What will be the correct alternative? Economy. It means that agricultural development is important to economy. Then, what is the first step in marketing research? Four alternatives are given: informal inquiry, deciding problem, data collection, and data publication. What will be the correct alternative? Deciding problem. That will be the correct alternative. Then, marketing management begins and ends with dash dash. Four alternatives are again here. First alternative A, that is given marketing survey, B, marketing evaluation, C, marketing research, D, marketing expansion. What will be the correct alternative of this question? What is the question? Marketing management begins and ends with dash dash. Your right alternative will be marketing research. Okay. Then, delegation of standards of living to the society means what? Delegation of standards of living to the society means dash dash. First alternative will be marketing, second sales, third production, and the last manufacturing. Delegation of standards of living to the society means marketing. Okay, it means that first alternative A will be the correct alternative. Then, transfer of goods and services in consideration of money means what? Transfer of goods and services in consideration of money means what? Four alternatives are here: A, sales, B, exchange, C, production, D, manufacturing. You have to understand transfer of goods and services. It means that you are going to transfer goods and services in consideration of money, means definitely the answer will be exchange. Then, success of any business depends upon dash dash. Success of any business depends upon dash dash. Four alternatives are there: sales, research, production, and marketing. What is the correct alternative? Correct alternative will be marketing. It means that success of any business depends upon marketing, and this will be the correct answer. Okay. Now, purchase motivational factor. Try to understand. Purchase motivational factor of goods and services is having dash dash. First alternative is here: consumption motive. Second, B, sales motive. C, purchasing power motive. And D, creation motive. What will be the correct alternative? Purchasing power motive. Definitely that is the correct alternative. Now, dash dash factor is more affecting consumers' behavior. Which factor is more affecting consumers' behavior? Four alternatives are also given here: psychological, economic, social science, geographical. Definitely the answer will be psychological factor is more affecting consumers' behavior. Okay. Then, next question you have to take for example, study for example, that is consumer behavior is a dash dash concept. Alternatives are given, four alternatives. First, physical, second, sensitive, third, economic, and the last, social. It means that consumer behavior is a sensitive concept. What type of concept is there? Sensitive concept, and this will be the correct alternative. Now, dash dash is helpful. Dash dash is helpful for conversion of purchase wills into action of the potential customers. Alternatives are given here: advertisement, demo, credit, discount. What is helpful for conversion of the purchase will into the action of the potential customers? Definitely you will find the correct alternative is advertisement. Then, marketing is and dash dash. Four alternatives are given here: sales, production, exchange, advertisement. Definitely your answer will be C, exchange. It means marketing is an exchange. Then next question you have to study, that is for your practice purpose. That question is there, dash dash a place of potential exchange of goods and services. Dash dash is a place of potential exchange of goods and services. Four alternatives are given: market, business, factory, and production. What is the place? On that place, potential exchange of goods and services are done. Definitely, you will be there. Select the correct alternative. That is market. Market, a place of potential exchange of goods and services. That's why first alternative is correct alternative. Now, dash dash is an alternative system for exchange of goods and services. What is the alternative system for exchange of goods and services? Four alternatives are given here: production, sales, market, and factory. Now, what is the alternative system of exchange of goods and services? Market is an alternative system of goods and services. Try to understand. That's why alternative C will be the correct alternative. Then dash dash is a place where buyers and sellers comes together for purchasing purpose. Try to understand the question. Dash dash is a place where buyers and sellers come together for purchasing purpose. Four alternatives are given: market, factory, industrial unit, industrial estate. Correct alternative will be market. Market is the place where buyers and sellers come together for purchasing purpose. Then dash dash is a process which collects together customers whose needs and wills are similar. Dash dash is a process which collects together customers whose needs and wills are similar. Four alternatives are given: A, market survey; B, market segmentation; C, customer survey; and the last, customer segmentation. What will be the correct alternative? Market segmentation will be the correct alternative. Now, due to dash dash, there is a wider scope for selection of goods and services. Due to dash dash, there is a wider scope for selection of goods and services. Four alternatives are also given here: huge supply, huge production, huge advertisement, and huge information. What will be the correct alternative? Huge supply. It means that due to huge supply, there is a wider scope of selection of goods and services. Then by providing dash dash, fulfillment of needs and satisfaction of customers is possible. By providing of what? Four alternatives: information, goods and services, financial assistance, and loan. Correct alternative will be goods and services. Then which will is supported by, short correction is there, which is supported by dash dash, it can be converted into demand. Correct alternative will be purchasing power. Definitely purchasing power is supported. Which, when will is supported by, when will is supported by purchasing power. When will is supported by purchasing power, it can be converted into demand. That's why what is the correct alternative? Alternative A, purchasing power, definitely will be the correct alternative. Then another is also there. We have to understand, due to dash dash, customer can get information about new products and services. Due to what? Four alternatives are here: sales, marketing, production, and distribution. Correct alternative will be marketing. Due to marketing, customer can get information about new products and services. Then modern marketing is dash dash: customer oriented, production oriented, will oriented, and important oriented. Correct alternative will be customer oriented. It means that modern marketing is customer oriented. Then next question is there: dash dash is happened when to provide satisfaction and fulfill the needs of each other. What is happened? Production, manufacturing, marketing, and advertisement. Correct alternative will be Marketing is happened when to provide satisfaction and fulfill the needs of each other. Correct alternative will be C. Okay. Then dash dash concept was used. Dash dash concept was used up to 1930. Four alternatives are given here. First, product, next, production, next, sales, and the last, marketing. Which concept was used up to 1930? Try to understand. Definitely, your answer will be product concept was used up to 1930. Then, dash dash is treated as a supplementary of production. Dash dash is treated as a supplementary of production. What is treated as a supplementary of production? Marketing, sales, production, distribution. What is treated as a supplementary of production? Your answer will be marketing is treated as a supplementary of production. That's why alternative A will be the correct alternative. In dash dash market, sorry. In dash dash market, product concept can be sustained. In which market or what type of market product concept can be sustained? Four alternatives are there. Consumer market, sellers market, producers market, or customers market. Okay. It means that which market, in that market product concept can be sustained. Your answer will be sellers market. What is the answer? Sellers market. Then dash dash is a king of marketing organization. Who is the king of marketing organization? Definitely your answer will be customer. Customer is the king, not any other. Try to understand. Then dash dash is the main function in sales. Dash dash is the main function in sales. What is the main function in the sales? Production, sale, profit earning, and sales promotion. What is the main function in sales? Main function, sales promotion. Okay, sales promotion is the main function in the sales. Now, before 1991, dash dash market was in existence. Before 1991, what type of market was in existence? Four alternatives are given here. Consumer markets, sellers market, government market, and society market. These are the four alternatives of this question. Now, next question will be given here for the practice purpose. That is cost benefit proportion of customer. Cost benefit proportion of customer means what? Means dash dash. Four alternatives are given. Customer value, consumer satisfaction, exchange, and sales. Your correct alternative will be customer value. It means that cost benefit proportion of customer means customer's value. The exchange transactions. For exchange transaction, how many parties are required there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Minimum how many parties are required? For exchange transaction, minimum 2 parties are required. How many parties minimum required? Minimum 2 parties are required. That's why alternative B will be the correct. Then market research includes dash dash research. Market research includes dash dash research. Four alternatives are given here. Marketing, market, production, and advertisement. Market research includes marketing research. Okay, marketing research. Which of the following is not an element of the marketing mix? Which of the following is not an element of the marketing mix? Four alternatives are given. Distribution, product, target market, and pricing. Your answer will be target marketing. Target marketing is not an element of marketing mix. Then political campaigns are generally examples of dash dash. Political campaigns are generally examples of dash dash. Alternatives are given here. Cause marketing, organization marketing, event marketing, and person marketing. Political campaigns are generally definitely examples of person marketing. That's why your D alternative is correct. Strategic marketing planning. Strategic marketing planning establishes the dash dash. Four alternatives are given. First, resource base provided by the firm strategy. Second, economic impact of additional sales. Third, tactical plans that must be implemented by the entire organization. And the last, basis for any marketing strategy. What will be the correct alternative? Basis for any marketing strategy will be the correct alternative. Okay. The term marketing refers to dash dash. The term marketing refers to dash dash. Four alternatives are given. New product concept and improvements, advertising and promotion activities, a philosophy that stress customer value and satisfaction, and the last, planning sales campaign. What will be the correct alternative? Alternative C will be the correct alternative in the terms of marketing, which refers to a philosophy that stresses customer values and satisfaction. Next, today's marketers need dash dash. Today's marketers need dash dash. A. Neither creativity nor critical thinking. B. Both creativity and critical thinking skills. C. Critical thinking skills but not a creativity. And the D. Creativity but not a critical skills. Okay. Try to understand. Planning sales campaign. Planning sales campaign. Or today's marketers need. Try to understand. Today's marketers need. What is the today's marketers need? Both creative and critical thinking skills. Both types of the skills are required there. Try to understand. That's why what is the today's marketers need? Creativity and critical thinking is the need of the today's marketer. Okay. Marketing channels. Marketing channel that involved no intermediary to make their product available to final buyers as classified as. Try to understand. Such type of classification is there: direct channel, indirect channel, static channel, and flexible channel. Try to understand. Try to read the question. Marketing channel that involve no intermediaries to make their product available to final buyers is classified as direct channel. What is it? Direct channel. Then segmentation is the process of dash dash. Segmentation is the process of dash dash. What? Dividing the market into homogeneous groups. Second, selecting one group of consumer among several other groups. Next, creating a unique space in the minds of the target consumer. And D, none of these. What will be the correct answer? The correct answer will be dividing the market into homogeneous groups. That will be the segmentation. That will be the process of segmentation. Okay. Now, the dash dash function of marketing makes the product available in different geographical region. The dash dash function of marketing makes the products available in different geographic regions. Four alternatives are given: production, selling, distribution, and promotion. Correct alternative will be distribution. Then the traditional view of marketing. The traditional view of marketing is that the firm makes something and then dash dash it. Four alternatives are given there: markets, sales, prices, and services. The traditional view of marketing is that the firm makes something and then it sells it. That's why the alternative B will be the correct. Dash dash is referred to as segmentation. Four alternatives are there: mass marketing, niche marketing, and differentiate marketing. Your answer will be mass marketing. Okay. Then another question I have given here for example purpose, for your practice purpose. That is, groups that have a direct or indirect influence on a person's attitude or behavior is known as dash dash. A. Reference groups. B. Family. C. Roles. And D. Status. Your correct answer will be reference groups. Then marketing biz means what? Viral marketing, virtual marketing, demarketing, social marketing. Your answer will be viral marketing. In dash dash segmentation, buyers are divided into different groups on the basis of lifestyle or personality and values. In psychographic, geographic, demographic, or behavioral, what is the correct alternative? Correct alternative will be psychographic segmentation. Okay. Then demographic segmentation refers to A. The description of the people and the place in society. B. The description of the people's purchasing behavior. C. The location where people live. And D. Geographical region or geographic regions. The correct alternative will be the description of the people and the place in the society. Then, which of the following reflects the marketing concept philosophy? First, you won't find a better deal anywhere. Second, when it's profit versus customers' needs, profit will always win out. Next alternative, we are in the business of making and selling superior product. And D, we won't have marketing department, we have a customers department. And that is the correct alternative. What is the correct alternative? We won't have marketing department, we have customers department, because customer is the king, consumer is the king, customer is the king of the market. Don't forget it all. That's why such type of a department is required. Okay. Then, which of the following is not a part of demographic segmentation? Which of the following is not a part of demographic segmentation? Definitely, four alternatives are also here: age, income, education, and interest. Interest is not a part of demographic segmentation. Try to understand. Then, when a customer or when consumer decide to buy without much logical thinking, his decision is said to be dash dash. What type of decision you can say? When consumer decide to buy without much logical thinking, his decision is said to be, four alternatives are given here: patronage, emotional, rational, and none of these. Your alternative will be, correct alternative will be emotional. Okay. Then dash dash price refers to the high initial price. Dash dash price refers to the high initial price charged when a new product is introduced in the market. First alternative is skimming, second penetration, next premium, and the last none of these. Which alternative is correct here? Skimming price refers to the high initial price target. Skimming price refers to the high initial price charged when a new product is introduced in the market. Okay. Now, supermarket is also known as dash dash. Self-service stores, hypermarket, cooperative societies, and none of these. Your answer will be self-service stores. Okay. Then the best channel of distribution for vacuum cleaner is dash dash. Direct marketing, telemarketing, retail chain, and none of these. Okay. Right answer will be the direct marketing. Market expansion is usually achieved by dash dash. Market expansion is usually achieved by dash dash. First alternative, more effective use of distribution, more effective use of advertising, by cutting prices. All of the above are suitable tactics. Okay. Correct alternative will be all of the above are suitable tactics. Now, today's marketers needs dash dash. Today's marketers needs dash dash. Alternative A, neither creativity nor critical thinking skills. B, both creativity and critical thinking skills. C, critical thinking skills but not a creativity. And D, creativity but not a critical thinking skills. What will be the correct alternative? Both creativity and critical thinking skills is the correct alternative. Then typically profit is negative in which stage of the product life cycle? Typically profit is negative in which stage of product life cycle? A, growth, B, maturity, C, introduction, D, decline. Definitely your correct alternative will be introduction. In that stage, definitely your profit will be negative. Now, segmentation is the process of dash dash. Segmentation is the process of dash dash. Four alternatives are here. Dividing the market into homogeneous group. Next, selecting one group of the customer or consumer among several other groups. D, creating a unique space in the minds of the target consumer. And the D, none of these. The correct alternative will be dividing the market into homogeneous groups. That is segmentation. Segmentation is the process of what? Segmentation is the process of dividing the market into homogeneous groups. Then next question will be, good marketing is no accident. Good marketing is no accident but a result of careful planning and decision. Careful planning and dash dash. Four alternatives are there: execution, selling, research and strategies. What will be the correct alternative? Execution. It means that good marketing is no accident but a result of careful planning and execution. That's why alternative A will be the correct alternative. Then the dash dash functions of marketing. The dash dash functions of marketing make the products available in different geographic regions. Which function of marketing makes the product available in different geographic region? There are different types of the functions: production, selling, distribution and promotion. But with the help of distribution that is possible. That's why correct alternative will be C, distribution. The traditional view of marketing. The traditional view of marketing is that the firm makes something and then dash dash it. The traditional view of marketing is that the firm makes something and then dash dash it. Four alternatives are also there: markets, sales, prices and services. What will be the correct alternative? Sales. What is the correct alternative? Sales. That is the correct alternative. The groups that have a direct or indirect influence. Groups that have direct or indirect influence on a person's attitude or behavior is known as dash dash. Four alternatives are there: reference groups, family, roles and status. Definitely your correct alternative will be reference groups. Now, demographic segmentation refers to dash dash. Demographic segmentation refers to dash dash. Four alternatives are given here: the description of the people and the place in society. Second alternative is there: the description of the people's purchasing behavior. Next, the location where people live, and the last, geographic region. Correct alternative will be the description of the people and place in the society. Then, which of the following is not part of demographic segmentation? A, age, B, income, C, education and D, interest. Correct alternative will be interest is not a part of demographic segmentation. That's why alternative D will be the correct. Then supermarket is also known as dash dash. Supermarket is also known as dash dash. Four alternatives are there: self-service store, hypermarket, cooperative societies and none of these. What will be the supermarket is called? Supermarket is also known as self-service stores. Okay. Then being dash dash one cannot test. Being dash dash one cannot test, touch, see, hear, smell or use services like physical products. There are alternatives: intangible, tangible, none of these. Being intangible, because that is the feature of that product, intangibility. That's why no one can test, no one can touch or see or hear or smell or use the services. Okay, that's why intangible, that will be the correct alternative. Then next question will be there, e-marketing is a part of dash dash. E-commerce, e-cash, email or payment. What will be the correct alternative? E-commerce. E-marketing is a part of e-commerce, and that's why that will be the correct alternative. Then transportation belongs to dash dash function of marketing. Sorry. Transportation belongs to dash dash functions of marketing. Research, exchange, physical supply and facilitating. Definitely you will understand transportation belongs to physical supply function of marketing. With the help of transportation, physical supply is possible. Then testing before launching a product is known as dash dash. Testing before launching a product is known as dash dash. Four alternatives are given. A. Test marketing. B. Concept testing. C. Acid test. And D. Market test. Correct alternative will be test marketing. Then marketing came into existence. Marketing came into existence first time when dash dash was communicated with you. Four alternatives are there: Adam, Madam, Douglas and Nicholas. What will be the correct alternative? Adam. Marketing came into existence first time when Adam was communicated with Eve. Okay, that's why alternative A will be the correct alternative. Then next, marketing is a human activity. Marketing is a human activity directed at satisfying needs and wants through dash dash process. Four alternatives are there: exchange, manufacturing, production and consumption. Through exchange, it means that marketing is a human activity directed at satisfying needs and wants through exchange process. Then the dash dash utility gives customer ownership of goods and services. Which utility gives customer ownership of goods and services? Four alternatives are there: possession, time, place and consumption. Which utility? Possession utility gives customers ownership of goods and services. Possession. Okay. Then dash dash is the dangerous and explosive marketing force. Which is the dangerous and explosive marketing force? Promotion, place, production and price. Definitely your answer will be price. Price is the dangerous and explosive marketing force. That's why alternative D is the correct alternative. Then dash dash is the lifeblood of every activity of the organization. What is the lifeblood? Production, marketing, finance or marketing. What is the lifeblood? Finance is the lifeblood of every activity of the organization. Next, production concept. Production concept has prevailing since industrial revolution and continued till the late dash dash. Production concept has been prevailing since industrial revolution and continued till the late dash dash. Four alternatives are given: 1920s, 1930s, 1940s and 1950s. What is the correct alternative? 1920s, late 1920s. That's why alternative A will be the correct alternative. Then dash dash concept gives emphasis on production of quality product. Which concept gives emphasis on production of quality product? Four alternatives are given: product, price, place and promotion. Your definitely correct alternative will be product. A. A alternative will be correct alternative. Then selling concept has been prevailing since dash dash. Four alternatives are there: 1940s, 1950, 1960, 1970. Definitely your correct answer will be 1940. Then marketing concept has been prevailing during dash dash. Four alternatives are there: 1940, 1960s, 1970s, 1950s. Definitely your correct alternative will be marketing concept has been prevailing during the 1950s. That's why alternative D will be correct alternative. Dash dash concept is the latest form of marketing management philosophy. dash dash concept is the latest form of marketing management philosophy. Four alternatives are there. A. Societal marketing. B. Modern marketing. C. Traditional marketing. And D. All the above. The correct answer will be societal marketing. Societal marketing concept is the latest form of marketing management philosophy. Then next question will be, it is said that human dash dash is like a black box. Four alternatives are there: talent, head, body, or brain. Definitely your answer will be brain. It means that it is said that human brain is like a black box. Then next question is given here for example purpose, for your study purpose. Consumer behavior is basically dash dash in nature: social, natural, artificial, and none of these. Your answer will be consumer behavior is basically social in nature. That's why your alternative A is the correct alternative. In this way, we have completed the practice about the MCQ. It means that what type of MCQs are possible there and how you have to study. These are only examples. These are only examples of MCQs. You have to practice, but those may be or may not be. I don't know exactly what alternatives are there, what questions are there. That is not a part of this lecture. Okay, try to understand. That's why this video you have to use for practice purpose, and with the help of that practice also you can get ample benefit. Okay, that's why if any difficulty is there, definitely you can contact with me. Okay, thank you very much.